Will you respond to them? Let me tell you. It's just a short and quick review because yesterday we have learned about what is science, what is sound. So let me start with the definition of science because it's the basic knowledge which we have to acquire. We should know about it. As this is your science unit, you should know that what is science. Science is basically the study of nature and natural environment. Now the question arises, what is nature? Nature पता होगा तभी तो हमें पता होगा science क्या है. So what is nature? Does everyone know here? The nature is our natural environment. What comes in natural environment? The sky, the land, the sea, the forest, humans, animals. Because ये सब naturally है ना. तो जो environment में सब कुछ natural हो, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Simple language में जो naturally हमारे environment में सब कुछ होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं nature. जो कुदरती तौर पे होता है, जो अल्लाह की तरफ से होता है, ठीक है? Natural environment है ये. Natural environment क्या comprise क्या करता है? Nature, ठीक है? Nature में होता है ये. Nature comprises of natural environment, which is land, forest, sea, humans, animals, सब कुछ आ जाता है ये natural environment में. तो हम science में क्या पढ़ते हैं? Nature and the natural environment. I'm reading the definition for you all. पहले समझाया फिर definition read कर रही हूँ. What is science? Science is the study of nature and behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. ठीक है, ये नेचर की हमें नॉलेज जो होती है और जो बिहेवियर होता है नेचुरल थिंग्स का. नेचुरल थिंग्स क्या? जो कुदरती तौर पर होती है. लैंड का जो नेचर होगा, सी का जो नेचर होगा, ह्यूमंस का जो नेचर होगा, ये सब किसमें आएगा? नेचुरल थिंग. नेचुरली है तो ये नेचुरल थिंग्स में आ जाएगा. और इनका बिहेवियर जो होता है, रेनफॉल, स्नोफॉल, ये सब जो बिहेवियर आ जाता है. जैसे वॉल्केनो भी आपने देखा होगा, इरप्ट हो जाता है. वॉल्केनोज आपने देखे होंगे, जो लावा आता है वॉल्केनोज में, वो सब क्या होता है? ये सब बिहेवियर में आ गया ना. जो कुदरती तौर पे सब चीजें हो रही हैं, ये सब बिहेवियर में आ गई नेचुरल थिंग्स की. तो हम ये किस में पढ़ते हैं? साइंस में. आई एम रिपीटिंग द डेफिनेशन अगेन. साइंस इज द स्टडी ऑफ द नेचर and behavior of natural things. And what is nature? Nature is the natural environment which comprises of land, water, sea, humans, animals, everything which is naturally in this planet. ठीक है, वो सब nature में आ जाता है. And now your today's topic is what is sound. हमने कल ये थोड़ा बहुत इंट्रो लिया था, ठीक है? आज हम थोड़ा सा इसको डीप में पढ़ेंगे. So the next question that comes in our mind, that what is sound? कल हमने पढ़ा, तो is there any student who wants to answer that what is sound? Yes, Abrish.
Sound is an energy.
Very good. That's the correct answer. यही हमने कल पढ़ा. क्या? Sound is an energy. हम क्यों कह रहे हैं इसको एनर्जी? इसलिए क्योंकि आपको पता है साउंड बनती किस तरह है. हाउ डू साउंड मेक? थ्रू वाइब्रेशंस. ठीक है, वाइब्रेशंस के थ्रू साउंड बनती है. एनर्जी है ना, तो किस तरह होगी? जब वाइब्रेशन होगी ना साउंड में, जब किसी चीज में वाइब्रेशन होगी तो वो साउंड क्रिएट करती है. इस तरह हम कह सकते हैं कि साउंड इज एन एनर्जी and it is made through sound waves. I am going to show you a video related to sound and how it is made. So now, so you might have then might have a better idea what is sound. Just let me share it with you all. Keep your books in front of you. So I was telling you, and I did showed you the video in which we learned about different sounds produced by humans, animals, and machines. हमें इससे क्या पता चलता है that sounds are all around us, right? The sounds are all around us. We can listen sounds everywhere. Even जहाँ आप बैठे हुए हैं मेरी आवाज कैसे आ रही है? By listening, right? So these all are sound, and not just humans made sound. Animals, machines, different things. वीडियो में अभी हमने क्या देखा? The sound of the drum, the bell ringing, the babies crying. These all are in exploring sounds. Now I want you all to open page number 2 of your textbooks. And I want one of you to read page number 2. Before we start the reading, with the reading, I need to explain few things that sounds which are produced by animals are, for example, coughing, burping, laughing, clapping, talking, whistling. These all are the sounds produced by humans. And the sounds produced by animals are buzzing of bees, mooing of cows. The sound made is called mooing. Roaring of tigers, जो tigers और lions जो जिनके चीखने को कहते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Roaring. ठीक है? Meowing of cows, cats. Cat क्या करती है? Meow. तो ये सारी sound कौन produce करता है? Animals. And the sounds that are produced by machines are beeping of alarm. हमारी जो alarm clocks होती हैं, they made a sound which the sound is beeping. Music from the radios, ringing of telephones from our जो हमारे cell phones ring करते हैं, वो भी सारी machines में आ जाता है ये. Screeching of car tire, sorry, ये सब किस में आ जाता है? Sound produced by machines. Now I need one student to read page number 2. So we just read the chart in which we learned about the sounds produced by humans, sounds produced by animals, sounds produced by machines. And it's clear that sound is all around us and everyone can make sounds. And how the sound is made? It is made by vibration because sound is an energy. ठीक है, हमने पढ़ा what is science, what is sound, how is sound made, exploring sounds, and humans, animals, machines, they all made sound, produces sound. And now comes to your homework. First write your homework down. Then if any one of you have any questions, then do raise your hand and ask questions. This was all for today. Thank you. Just write down your homework and then I'll unmute one of you to ask questions if you have any query and difficulty या कुछ समझना है.